Hey guys, Chip Kosei here with Laws for Life. You'll see in the background, we've been rolling around New Orleans a little bit today. I think that this building behind me needs no description, because if you don't recognize it, it doesn't mean that you don't live in New Orleans. It means you probably live in a cave. Obviously, I'm joking. It's St. Louis Cathedral. We're here on a gorgeous day, and I want to talk to you today about what's called when you switch attorneys during a personal injury case. I had a situation where a client called me, they're a potential client. They said, look, I'm not really happy with my lawyer, and I want to consider your firm. And of course, I don't make it a habit out of taking cases from other lawyers, but some people they're going to leave them no matter what. So in that circumstance, I'll consider it. And one of the biggest questions I always get is, well, if I switch attorneys during a case, do I have to pay 2 fees? And I want to tell you that the answer is no. Another person asked me, well, if I do switch, is the first attorney going to be mad and hold up the settlement money because y'all are fighting over the fees? Again, the answer is no. Louisiana has some great laws in terms of how we can distribute settlement funds to a client and not have any of that sort of business affected. Because what happens is the law mandates that you will give the settlement money to the person that was injured, and then the lawyers will talk amongst themselves. If they can come to an agreement, great, they distribute the funds however they see fit. If they cannot, then what the second attorney will do is to pay the first attorney, the amount that is not disputed, and then anything that they disagree about, they escrow that amount, and then they can either talk about it some more and see if they can't come to a friendly agreement, or try that matter in front of a court, but the client won't be required to be involved in that at all. So essentially, what our law does is promotes the ability for the client to get the best result they can for themselves without being hung up by attorneys that might squabble over a fee. So there's a lot of protections in there for clients, and so it's always geared towards what is best for the client and their result. If you have any questions, please feel free to give me a call, 588-9500, or you can email me, chip@koseelaw.com. I look forward to talking to you again. I sure hope this video helped. Now sit tight, want to pan in, zoom in rather, on the St. Louis Cathedral and let you get a great shot of that. Take care.